Okay guys, our first step is going to be pal medio. What we're going to do is we're going to turn towards the inside of the circle, and what we're going to do is start with the left foot. Guys, girls start with the right. We're going to demonstrate it first, and then we're going to give you a broken down version of it. Pal medio, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Stop. What we're going to do now is break it down for you. Guys, we're going to step in towards the center of the circle, starting with our left foot. Girls, you're going to turn in, starting with the right foot. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go backwards, or we're going to go back towards the back of the circle. Okay, girls, starting with your left foot. Guys, starting with your right. Ready? And 1, 2, and 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it all together. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.